Nice, hand it to me.
Here you go.
Timer stop. Timer stop. Timer stop.
Yeah, buddy, keep it up. Yeah! Don't try to turn too soon. All right, level it out. Let it back off the
What?
throttle some.
Timer stop. Timer start. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Yes, sir. Whoa. Hey, don't do that. No, you don't need
Timer
to
stop. Timer start.
Go further past you.
Advance.
We got company, so you might want to move off the field.
Yeah, come on.
Safe.
That might be,
Time remaining 3 minutes.
You can ease off the foul just a little. Just to see what it's like at about 60%.
you might want to fly so that we can see it.
Just don't try anything real crazy with it yet. It's flying beautiful. How's it feel?
It's underpowered and
It feels underpowered? Oh, those are too sharp a turns, buddy. Yeah, let it bank.
hold on.
Don't use that rudder so much.
I need help trimming this.
What do you need? Which way?
Hold on. I need up. Go ahead and give me some up.
That's Ed.
Give me some more up. Hold on. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, good. Stop right there. Nice.
Nice.
Time remaining
Yeah.
2 minutes.
I think I might need some right roll
Some
here.
right?
Let's see. Hold on.
Yes.
Little right. That's good. Okay.
Should be it right
Timer
there.
stop. Timer start.
And you got a long time to fly still.
Oh, it looks good.
It's
Now
not,
how's it feel?
it's not as fast as electric.
No, it's not.
But it's flying nice, dude. Don't try to turn. Let it bank. Yeah, you need some expo for sure. Yes. Yep, it's too quick.
But they need to get used to it. Well, stay this time, Ed.
1 minute.
Last time you got all the shit out and loaded it up. I guess there's somebody here today.
Oh no! No, just kidding.
Damn it. I was dropping my water.
I'm landing.
Not yet.
Timer.
Yeah.
Timer stop.
You're too close, bro. Maybe not.
Timer start.
You're awful close.
Timer stop.
It's awful fast.
Too fast.
Timer 30
Oh,
seconds.
God.
Oh, I can actually see it.
Go further back.
20 seconds.
There you go. Now cut it around and shut it off about right now. Yeah, kill it.
Yeah, why
Timer
don't we
stop.
start going up land?
flying. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, the front tire is a little wicky. The front tire, I seen it.
I broke it.
That's a weak tire.
Yeah.
Just the front tire.
Time 10. Timer stop.
I think I broke them both.